We are now continuing with our question on bank reconciliation from the September 22 question paper Mpumalanga. Okay, we are now on 1.2.3. We have already calculated the bank balance. Okay, the bank balance on 31 July 2022. Okay, and then we also did update our cash journals. Okay, so what is only left right now is for us to prepare the bank reconciliation statement on the 31st of July 2022. Okay, so as we do our bank reconciliation statement, we start by recording the balance as per bank statement. The balance as per bank statement. Okay, balance as per bank statement. Okay, of which in this question that we are looking at, we are not given that amount, which is most likely to mean that, okay, fine, that balance becomes our balancing figure. Okay, fine. Let's identify the outstanding deposit. Do we have an outstanding deposit? Let's look at D. Okay, fine. We have got a deposit of 10,000 dated 29 July 2022. Okay, an outstanding deposit is that money which is appearing in our cash receipt journal, but it did not appear on the bank statement. Are we together? Okay, it is a deposit of 10,000. What do we do with an outstanding deposit? We always credit the outstanding deposit. Okay, so we are going to say credit outstanding deposit. Okay, the outstanding deposit is 10,000. Okay, after the outstanding deposit, we now go on to our EFTs. Okay, we now go on to our EFTs. We debit all the outstanding EFTs. Debit outstanding EFTs. We used to have checks, but these days we now use EFTs. Okay, let's go back to our question paper. Still on information D. It seems as if the following entries were in the cash journals for July 2022 only. The outstanding deposit, we have recorded it, and it is coming from the CRJ. All EFTs here, they are used to make payments. So these two items are supposed to be updated or to be recorded, are actually payments which were supposed to indicate. They are also supposed to be shown on the bank statement. We've already recorded them in our CPJ. Okay, so it's EFT number 655. Okay, EFT number 655. Okay, and EFT number, the other EFTs, EFT number 656. 656, and then the amount for the first EFT number 655 is 5,650. 5,650, and then EFT number 656, it is actually 1,445. 1,445. Okay, we have recorded all our EFTs so far, and remember, we had items that we said that these were errors that were made that are supposed to be corrected, is it? Okay, remember, we had a situation of the deposit on the 29th was for a rent income from a tenant S. Ntuli. Okay, on the 29th, if you go into the 29th, okay, that one we have already looked at it. We said it's our outstanding deposit. Okay, let's see, where did we have an error? Okay, we had an error here. Okay, fine, whereby they are saying a debit order on the 5th of 1,850 for the monthly insurance appeared twice, is it? Okay, the other one, we have recorded it on our CPJ. The other one, remember, it is on the debit side, is it? So in order for us to cancel it, we are supposed to record it on the credit side. So we are going to take that in petty insurers, and we indicate it as an error, and we record it on the, okay, we record it on the credit side. Okay, so we indicate credit incorrect amount. Okay, credit incorrect amount recorded. Okay, so we are going to take it here on the credit side. By doing this, we have cancelled it off. The other error that we had was the money on the 25th. The Voda administrators, they said that the deposit on the 25th was incorrectly deposited to Marula Traders. The bank was notified, is it? So in order for us to cancel also this, we are going to debit it, is it? By debiting it, we are removing it from our books. So we are going to say debit incorrect amount, debit incorrect amount recorded, okay? And then the amount is 9,800, 9,800, okay? And then the last thing that we are going to record is our balance as per bank account, okay? It's a debit balance as per bank account. The debit balance as per bank account, okay, which we calculated in, remember we calculated in 1.2.2, which we said it was the amount that we calculated was 38,265 from 1.2.2. So we are debiting it 38,265. Okay, now we have got everything that we need for our bank reconciliation statement. We can add everything that is on the debit side. Okay, this is our debit side, this is our credit side. We add everything that is on our debit side. It will give us something like 55,160. 55,160. Okay, and then after that we go on to subtract everything that is on the credit side. We minus the 1,850, we minus the 10,000. We'll get something like 43,310. 43,310. Okay, remember this was the balancing figure. Okay, the 43,310, the balances per bank statement. Okay, then we are done with our bank reconciliation statement. Okay, the format remains the same. You start with the balance as per bank statement, credit outstanding deposit, debit outstanding EFTs. If there are errors that were recorded on the credit side, you put them on the debit. If there are errors that were put on the debit side, you put them on the credit. Remember, the bank reconciliation statement is an extension of the bank statement. It stands as a bank statement, but we prepare it within the business. Thank you so much.